Hi everyone, my name is Shubham and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's recipe tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prepare mini sugar-free donuts using just 4 ingredients. You will definitely get the goodness of the big size donuts in these mini ones. So without further ado, let's get started. So the ingredients will require are maida or all-purpose flour 150 grams, baking soda half teaspoon, baking powder 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. I've added these 3 ingredients to the flour. Moving on further, we'll require plain curd around 150 grams. Then we'll require piping nozzle that is used to pipe the whipped cream from a piping bag, and those we are going to require in 2 sizes. One is the large Russian nozzle and one is the small nozzle which you can get at any cakery or bakery store. Then you will require chocolate glaze, and I've used dark chocolate, and to white chocolate I've added pink gel color. So now that all ingredients are laid out, we'll move on further and start preparing our mini donuts. So in a medium sized bowl, add in the flour, that is our maida, the salt, baking soda and baking powder. Pour in the plain curd as well and gently start mixing everything together. At first, the mixture will be too sticky to work with, but in few minutes the mixture will start to attain the desired dough consistency. Knead the dough until it becomes smooth and isn't sticky. Use a bit of maida wherever necessary. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes, hence have patience and knead the dough carefully. My mom helped me here in kneading the dough, cause one thing that I still need to learn is kneading dough, hence she was a real help. And once the dough attains the desired texture, cover it with a damp cloth. That is, the cloth should be lightly soaked in water and then squeezed to remove the excess water. Now keep the dough near a warm place, preferably in a microwave or near the kitchen stove for 30 minutes. So after around 30 minutes, remove the dough and start rolling it gently. I've divided the dough into 2 pieces, hence I'm rolling the first piece over here, and once it's rolled into the desired thickness, start cutting it with the help of the nozzle which I showed you. Ensure that the dough shouldn't be too thin, or it will taste like puri when you fry it. This happened with some pieces, hence I'm making you aware. So for our mini donuts to turn out chunky and meaty, please ensure that the dough consistency or the dough texture is thick. And then we move on to our further step, that is with the help of a small piping nozzle, cut the dough from between, and once you are done with that, arrange everything in sequentially in a plate and heat sufficient oil in a saucepan. Once the oil is heated, start frying these mini donuts in the oil. So as soon as you put these donuts into the heated oil, you notice that they'll double in the size, and that's what we are looking for. Here you'll also notice how thick, meaty and adorable they look. We have to lightly fry them until they become lightly goldenish color and not too brown, just keep that in mind. And once all these donuts are fried, they are ready to be plated and drizzled with the chocolate glaze. So here are they. Our mini donuts are ready to be relished with every mini bite. They are thick, meaty, chunky and everything you expect from a donut. The chocolate glaze really adds the much needed sweetness to them. The flavors are well balanced and so is the palate satisfaction. By the way, you can also use this donut for a pizza base. Anyways, if you like this recipe, then do follow the drill. That is, like this video, share it with your family and friends, comment down below your views and suggestions, do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you and your entire family from my side. I'll see you soon on the next Scrumptious Wednesday. Until then, bye, take care, be safe, much love. Please do try this recipe at your home. I'm certain that you'll fall in love with it.